Good morning, everyone. Happy Valentine's Day week. Of course, I think this is probably coming out on the 15th, so it was yesterday, but anyways, happy Valentine's week. Additional announcements for this week. Starting late Thursday night, late Thursday, all day Friday, and probably into the weekend, on-site service calls will not be available, except for emergencies, because I can always Uber. But yeah, we will be welcoming a new granddaughter into the world Friday the 18th. At least that's when it's scheduled. You know how these things go. So, yeah, although the store will be open, no on-site service calls will be available for late Thursday, the 17th, the 18th, 19th, and 20th. Now, if you have an emergency, like I said, give us a call. Like I said, Uber is a wonderful thing, so I can always get there if there's an emergency situation. So, in that event, we welcome our new granddaughter. I can't tell you the name though. I know the name, but I can't tell you. So, yay, new grandchild. Yay. First girl too. So, anyways, on to other things. I wanted to bring this up. I've seen this a lot in the last couple of months, and every time I come across it, I try to delete it as soon as I can. So I want to show you this hijack browser that's coming along as soon as it opens up. It's called Wave Browser. If you have this on your computer, immediately uninstall it. And if you don't know how to do it, give me a call. I'll walk you through it. It's by a group called Windsor Group, and I call it a hijack browser because that's exactly what it is. You did not ask for this browser to be installed on your computer, nor did you ask it to become your primary. So let me get this open here. Yeah, Wave Browser, there it is. This is a hijack browser. The idea is it takes over your computer. No, I don't want to do that. But it's supposedly a security browser. It is not. It hijacks your computer. It takes over your browser, and that way, this company, and I can't say it for certain, but this company, then of course, you save. A lot of people do this, and I tell people not to do this, but they save their usernames and passwords on the browser. By doing this, you're allowing this company to have your usernames and passwords. That's why it's security risk. And there's literally, how to get rid of this program all over. It's really simple. From your computer, you just simply go into your control panel. Sorry, it's running a little slow today. You're doing other things in the background. You just go into your control panel, go into features and programs and features, find the browser, and just uninstall it. So, I mean, they blatantly take over your computer, but they don't stop you from removing it either. Something else I saw as a side effect to this is the increase of crypto mining viruses. Normally these hide on a website, so when you're visiting a website, it's actually running the mining software using your computer. And Google has announced with the new Google Chrome, sorry Google, didn't mean to activate you. They have announced that they're adding a new security feature on Google Chrome that will detect and block crypto miners on websites, which is great. But along with this wave problem that I'm seeing is the fact that if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, they are embedding, and I don't want to say waves themselves, it may be completely separate thing, but this is what I'm saying. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card and Waves is installed on your computer as a browser, there's a good probability that you're also going to get a crypto mining virus, and that's because they want to exploit the processing power of your graphics card. I've seen it about 6 times in the last 4 weeks, where people have brought in computers They've had the Wave browser unintentionally installed on their computer, and running in the background is a crypto mining virus, which causes their CPU and processing power to rev up to 100% and will stay there. It will never stop. Causes the computer to slow down excessively because the mining process has hijacked your computer. And your computer becomes slow, sluggish, unresponsive, and if it's not taken care of, it will eventually damage your computer because it's not designed to run that equipment that hard for that long. So search for this. If you have this installed on your computer, take it off immediately. If you don't know how to do it, give me a call and I can either walk you through it, or we can get one of the remote programs installed and I can remote into your computer and do it for you. So yes, Wave browser, get rid of that garbage. It is absolutely what it is. It's garbage. It's crap. It's worthless. In fact, like I said, you can go through that whole list there, and they were talking about it's a security risk. And like I said, what I have seen in the last month is, along with the Wave browser, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, there's a possibility that a crypto mining virus will get installed on your computer and will just rev it up and just run it constantly all the time. Your fans will run hard. Your temperature on your CPU will go up. And if it's not taken care of, like I said, it will damage your computer. So gamers, heads up, watch for that stuff. So if you're not gaming but your computer is running like it's gaming, yeah, you got something there. Take care of it. And if you don't know how to take care of it, bring it to me. We'll take care of it for you. So wanted to give you a heads up on that. Again, this is just for knowledge, so you know what to do and what to watch for. Got to keep you all safe as much as I can. You guys have a great day. I will talk to you later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on all that stuff. See the details for other things. Talk to you later.